Hello everybody, welcome to this review. Today we have a vacuum sealer by the brand ABOX. A vacuum sealer, it's a device that lets you to suck the air inside special bags so you can preserve your food longer. Now we're going to do some tests and using this food. The machine have a touch screen display. You can have a gentle suction or a standard suction, a moist, a standard or dry food. Then you can seal the bag, you can seal and vacuum, and also you can use an external tube to suck the air from a special container. Special container is not included in the package, but you can buy probably on Amazon for very cheap. This is a nice feature that I don't have in my other vacuum sealer. We'll do a test later. When you open, you can see it's very large. In fact, it can contain this roll of special vacuum package bag, and then also have a cutter that is really nice, so you can roll a piece of plastic, cut, and so you can make the bag of the size that you want. Also have this little container that can collect the water if you're trying to drive or suck the air from very wet food like meat and fish. Also in the bag they give you a pair of extra rubber seal. So we can try a test. Also in the bag, in the package, they give you some extra bags with different size, and also the roll of paper is included. So let's do a test. You can roll some piece of the bag, and using the special cutter you can just cut very easily. Now you can close. Now you need to seal the package, so you need to place the bag over there and close it. You need to press hard until you hear 2 clicks, because there is a security device, and you need to press very hard until you hear 2 clicks. Okay, like that. Now you are going to press the seal button, and in about between 6 and 10 seconds it will seal one end of the bag. There is a bar on top that will show you the progress. Okay, now one end is sealed. In my first test, I probably wasted too much. You can make a bag with a little less waste. So now let's put some food. Since the bag is so wide, you can put 2 different foods in the same bag. So I'm going to put some cookie on the left and some tangerine on the right. Now you need to place the plastic to go over the band where it's gonna be cut and heat. You need to place it and make sure the plastic goes in the little hole, not or just over like that, because that is wrong or it will not work. So you need to place the bag, it goes inside this little opening. Now you close firmly. And now, since there are cookies, we're gonna select the gentle suction and dry. For dry, the tangerine is not dry, but let's say it's dry. And now we'll just press vacuum and seal. Okay, that's done. You can see now the package is vacuum. The cookie, they are not broken, and also the tangerine works fine. They are not smashed because we use gentle suction. So now let's do another test. We can roll another piece of of the bag. Let's do something like that. Okay. Then using the cutter, we'll just cut. Done. Very easy. Now let's do a little less, because before I waste so much of the bag. So let's just do something like that. Okay, perfect. Seal. You see, you need to press hard twice. 2 clicks you need to hear. It's a security feature against a child. So at first, in fact, I thought the machine was broken. Instead, no, you need to press very hard to close firmly. Now you see, I didn't waste too much of the bag, so I have more room for food. Let's try to vacuum seal this quesadilla. It's a Mexican food. This is quite moist, so we're going to use the moist feature. The moist feature is usually mainly for meat, fish, but probably in this case will work too. So we'll put moist. Okay, there is a bar on top that will show you the progress. Okay, done. And now that's it. Now this food, because it doesn't have air, it will preserve better for more days than usual. Okay, let's do another test. We can use the included bags in the package. The included bags are different size. For example, they are taller. Instead, using our roll, you can make wider bags. So in our case, we'll just vacuum our cheese, which is dry, and we don't need to be gentle. So we'll go with the setting of standard and dry. Okay, standard, dry, vacuum and seal. Okay, done. Let's open. It's sealed, it's packaged. It looks like the one you buy on the grocery store. Also, in the packages include this hose that will let you to suck the air from containers. But any container, there is no container included in the bag, so you need to buy extra. So I cannot give you a perfect demonstration. We'll just try to do with this bottle. You need to press the button accessory and it will suck the air. Okay, it worked. Okay, so that's all for this review. You can check on Amazon. It costs about $60. It's quite cheap, and you can put in a comment a question if you have any, or like my video, and see you next time for another great review. Bye!